What's it say?
Lakefront property. Ta-da! Hey guys, so we're out camping today and we're going to show you a tour of the Wonder Tier. We're going to get started up front with the tongue box. Alright, so right here we have our tongue box. It's a pretty hardy plastic and it's waterproof, which is a good thing because all the electrical is inside. We are going to do a separate video for all of this because it's a lot and Danny knows everything and I don't. But basically this is how everything works, and that's the battery. I know that one. That's the battery switch, not the battery. The battery lives inside here. And it's a Battleborn. Alright guys, so we are inside now. A couple cool things. We have a whole bunch of storage right here. We keep our clothes, we have a little mirror, our bathroom stuff, anything we bring along goes in the cabinets. We like to keep some games because, you know, why not? And we have first aid stuff, all that goodness. And then right here is our media center. So, how that works. So we have our nifty little iPad, and we hang it over this very, very technologically advanced paracord. And voila, our multimedia station. We have this back ledge here, and it has some USB ports, it has 12 volt, whole bunch of stuff, so we can keep all of our devices charged. So we love this ledge because it lets us keep water, anything we want, right by our heads during the night. It's kind of like our catch-all. And then this also, if we need to store something quickly, we can throw it in here. Just nice to have open space to keep things cleaner. And then we have our max fan, which is up yonder. There we go.
Very nice.
Yeah. So that's our max fan with our nifty little remote that lives right by Danny's head. And we also have these cool LED lights that are crazy bright. We probably didn't actually need 2 of them, but when we read or anything like that, they're super great to have. And eventually, this is going to become a stargazer window. So we'll be able to see the stars through here, but before we left for our big trip, the window hadn't come in yet. So, it's now waiting to be put in. Alright, let's go! She's ready. Alright, and last we have the galley. So this is basically a little kitchen area. This nifty little guy right here turns into a side table. Here we just have a side table mount which it hooks onto. Voila! And so now we have extra counter space to cook, prep food, whatever we want. Right here we have our drinking water. It's a 5-gallon jug. It's perfect. If we ever need to fill up our water bottles, it's constantly have stuff. So whenever we need to fill up our water bottles, we can. Right here is our Yeti cooler. This thing's a powerhouse, so it keeps things really cold for a long time. Got some dinner in there for tonight. And then it also can double as extra countertop space. Our countertop is actually a piece of aluminum that was left over from skinning the Teardrop. So, yeah, that's a cool little fun fact. Here we have another electrical panel, power source, whatever you want to call it. And we have some party lights. So you can't really see them right now because it's a little light outside. But all sorts of colors for our LED lights. And then in here is just kind of our storage. So we're out for a shorter trip, so it's not as packed as when we're going for a long period of time. But I like to keep our cups, anything we need for cooking. We have all of our coffee stuff, wine, and necessity, some of our cleaning things, oils, condiments, a couple items for food, our lights, our citronella, paracord, basically anything that we will need outdoors lives in here. And then right here we have our butane little stove that comes in this cold carrying case. We have Danny's toilet seat because he is not man enough to the woods. And this is just miscellaneous camp stuff. So tarp, rain flies, dish container. Yeah. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching our tour of the Wander Tier. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it wasn't too chaotic and choppy for you. And yeah, thanks for watching. Are you ready for this? Because I don't think you are.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it going? We appreciate all of you and your support, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. So if you enjoyed what you saw, no, I don't like that. Thank you for watching. Konnichiwa.